Hello everyone, this is Afzal Hassan. Today I will be guiding you with the creation of AWS account. So first you need to open your browser, and in the browser you have to search for like address bar, and here you have to type AWS console login, and it will open you a search engine page over here, and you have to seek for https://aws.amazon.com console written over there with the redirection symbol, and you have to click over the link, and when you will click over the link it will redirect you to the Amazon homepage. Okay, so it has opened the page, and in the navigation bar you can see there is a button. So if you want to create your AWS account, so you have to click on this button. So let's click on this button as we are here to create an AWS account. So let's open the page. Okay, so this is the sign up page, and here you have to provide your email address and your account name. So let me fill the email address of mine. Perfect. And my name. Perfect. Now let's click on verify email address button. This is where it will ask you for the verification code. So now let's open proton. Okay, so here is the email. This is the verification code which we have to put over here, and click on verify. Okay, now it is verified. Now it is asking for password. So let me put the password. Okay, now click on continue. It will redirect you to the second step. Save, yeah, it for now. It is asking to fill the details of yours, just like how do you plan to use AWS, what is your purpose to use AWS. So here you will be putting personal, because as you are a DevOps engineer and you are not an organization, or you will be leveraging all the benefits of the student, so you have to put personal over here. So I'm a student, so let me put personal for my project over here. Let me put my name. This is my name. Let me select my country code for the phone number, and this is my mobile number, and this is the country where I live in. Okay, and this is the address which I have to put. Make sure this is the address line 1, so you have to put your full address, just like if you are from any village or something anywhere, so you have to put your village name over here, your post office name, your police station name, something, the location which can recognized to you. Okay, so everything is Muzaffarpur only, so I'm putting this, and you have to put your dominance, like where you belong to, like which state, and your pin code. Perfect. Now click on continue, so it will redirect you to the next page, like third step. Yeah, so here you have to put your credentials of your debit card. So let me put my credit. Okay, so if you have PAN card, you can provide the PAN card. Don't have any PAN card, you can put no over there. Click on verify. It will take you to the next third stage. Perfect. Now it is telling me that 2 rupees will be charged from my account, from the debit card which I have given, and this is the date, and this amount is actually refundable. So this amount will be deducted to verify that this card is legit or not. So do not worry, and in the next time, like if you got any bill generated over your AWS account, it will not deduct directly from this account. This is just to not get abused by the users, his compute power. Like they are providing you the compute power, right? And if they will not keep this security purpose, then everyone will come over here and create his account. Everyone will come when his account will be reached by the limit. Then he will create a new email address, and he will come over there, and he will like create a new account, then again he will use it. So like this way company cannot be get profited. So like they have put a simple verification method for the card. Like you have to put your card, 2 rupees will be deducted from your account, and it will be refunded back within an hour. Like basically it takes within an hour, but the duration is actually 24 hour. Within 24 hour your amount will be refunded, and next it will not charge any amount without your permission. So don't worry about it. Click on pay. So let's wait till the payment is confirmed. Perfect, payment has been confirmed. Perfect. Now it is asking for the identity, like primary purpose of registration. What is your primary purpose? So do you want to use personally, or you want to use for the government service, or you want to use for the business operations? Like what is the purpose of your use? So I'm an individual, and I will be using this account for my personal use. So I have chosen options personal use only. And you all are also a DevOps engineer, so you should also choose personal use case only. And what is the ownership type? So here you have to choose individual, because you are a person, individual person who will be using this account. You will be not giving this account to your friend or to the colleagues of yours. So you have to choose individual over here. And it will ask you for the PAN card over here. So you have to put your PAN card, or you can put also your voter ID card, your driving license, or your passport number. Can select anything from over here. Like if you want to give PAN card, as this is the like government document which you have to provide for the identity purpose, like you are the legit person or not. So I will be going through like going with voter ID card. So I have to put the name of it, like number of it. So let me put the number. Perfect. So now I have to upload the images. So let's wait for a while. Okay, so it is uploaded, and now I have to click over this I consent. So like by providing this consent, you are telling that you have provided all the details, and all the details which you have provided are true as per your knowledge. So now you have to click next, continue button, and you will when you will click it, it will redirect you to the final state. Yeah, here it will ask you for the phone number. Like what is the medium you want to verify your phone number with? Like if you want to voice call or text, you can select between these. I will be going through the text message, and let me provide my number over here. Perfect. Now it will send a verification code over this number. So just I need to complete the captcha. Perfect, submit, and the verification code has been sent. Let me check my phone once. Okay, I have received it. Perfect. Okay, so it is asking me to select the plan in with which plan you want to go. Choose a support plan for the business or personal use. You can change your plan anytime. Like this is the plan, you can change whenever you want. This is the $29 per month recommended for developers. Like in this you will receive various benefits as a developer, but I'll recommend you to go with the basic support role. Like it will provide you 1 year of free, like it will provide 30 GB of the storage, EBS storage, which you can use for the 1 year. Like if you will exceed the limit, like it will, when you will go through 31 GB, it will cost you for the 1 GB, and 30 GB is rest free for the next 1 year till today. Like next 2026 date of 25, it will be free for me. So I will be going through the basic plans. And what about like you want to know about the EC2 and all, like there is also plans like 750 hours you will get free use of AWS EC2 account. And so it is popping me the congratulations that I have gone through all the process and my account has been successfully created. So now I have to go to the my console. So I'll click go to console. Perfect. So now it is telling me to sign in. So this is your console, like this is the navigation bar. So this is the console overview. Like everything is divided into chunk boxes where you will see every details. Like here, what is the service you have recently visited, what are the applications you are currently running, what is the cost you it has costed to you. And this is the documentation page where you can find and learn about anything what you want to like learn, just like related to AWS only. And these are the more next documentations part only. Okay, blogs and all. So the main part is that this is the services, this is all the services what AWS is providing to you. So we have to look into compute, right? So when we will navigate to compute, you can find EC2 instance. This is the instance that you will create. And something you can search over here, S3 bucket, sorry, S3. This is the S3 bucket that you will create for your users to store the something some data. Like it is a general purpose storage system. Yeah, this is. And here this you by clicking over here you can create a bucket and all. So I do not want to create it right now. Where is my navigation bar? Okay, so this is my navigation bar, this is my account ID. And let me help you to go through with my account so you can understand how to navigate over the console. So this is my settings. Here you can check for your bills. When you will click on bill button, it will redirect you to the bill page. You can see over here billing home page. And still we have not charged anything because we have just created this account only. So we are not charged with anything. The amount is $0. So when I will click on AWS button over here, then I will get a chance to change my regions according to my preference. I can change the region. Currently I'm in Stockholm. Like I'm in India, but my server is selected in the Stockholm region. So whether you are in which country or you want to select any of your preferences or choice, you can select it. Just for now I want to select Mumbai. Where it is? Mumbai. Okay, here it is, Mumbai. Okay, now anything I will do perform here in the on the console. Like if I'll create a S3 bucket or I'll create a EC2 instance, everything that will be created in Mumbai region only. I can demonstrate you how you can create a EC2 instance. Whether you can type over here EC2 Like see, I have just searched S3, and this is the console where I just told you that you will find all the services which you have recently visited. And you can see I have just visited S3 and it is rendered over here. So if you want, you can type over here EC2, it will give you the service. Sorry, EC2, yeah, here it is. Or you can click over this button, this is the menu button. Here you can find a compute button. When you will click on compute, you can find EC2. When you will click on EC2, it will redirect you to the page of EC2 where you with the details you want to create your instance. So let's wait till the page reloads. Okay, so this is the global view of the EC2 instance page. Like here you can find how many instances are running, how many hosts are there, how many key pairs you have created for the instance, how many elastic IP address you have attached or created, like how many load balancers you have attached. Everything you can find in this global view. So now you need to click like you can to create an EC2 instance, you can click over here, launch instance. Okay, or you can click over here instances. When you will click on instances, it will redirect you to the instance page only. So here if you click like if you have visited this page for the first time, it will give you this button. Like when no service is launched, it will give you to launch service button over here, or you can also click over here. When you will click on launch instance, it will give you a form where you have to put the necessary details to up your server running. So my first server, let me put the details, my first server. Okay, and I want this server to be in Ubuntu, or you can also select Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Windows, Red Hat. Do not select Windows, cause like as a DevOps engineer you should not be using Windows, because you have to always work, like you will be not using this console also in industry. But like I'm just giving you overview so that you can understand and like go easily throughout the course for that only. Otherwise you have to always use command line. So for now I'll go to Ubuntu, and here I have to find any free tier eligible. Like I have a server like which is Ubuntu server 2404. Like this is the version, long term support, LTS long term support, and this is the 22 version, long term support. Okay, and like I need to select within these two. If I'll select this or this, any of the rest from these two both, then I will be charged. So currently I want to select this 22 version. Here you have to select your RAM, like this is the CPU, this is the RAM and everything. And it is a pay as you go service. Like Amazon provides you pay as you go service. So like it will be costing you this per hour, this per hour, and this amount per hour for, according to the Linux. This is the Linux base. If you are using RHEL, Red Hat or SUSE, then the costing is accordingly only. So you have to search for the free tier eligible. Like this is the one, 32 virtual CPU, 64 gigs RAM. And this one which has free tier eligible, it has only 1 gig RAM and 1 CPU. So as of now, just for the demonstration purpose, we will be using this only. And here like to log in this instance within any other local machines or any other devices, you need to create a key pair. So click over here, put the name my first server. This should not be the exact same name. You keep the name whatever you want, but make sure to remember that the instance you have created and the key pair you have created, both are like associated with them. Like the name, if you will keep the name different, then it will be hard to remember the associated pairs key for you. So it has downloaded. Okay, so now here is a part for network. Like if you want to do SSH, like if I want to connect my PC, like my this PC, this which I am running this web browser, so I need to allow this SSH traffic from anywhere or from my IP address. This is my IP address, so I can allow. And this, if I want to host any application on port 80 on anything, then I need to allow the HTTPS traffic also, so that anyone can, along with me, anyone can visit over my website. So as of now, I'm not allowing this. And this is what I was talking about you, like I was talking about is like it will be providing you the 30 GB of maximum storage for the free. This is the free. It will not charge you anything. You can see over here, 30 gigs of EBS storage are free. Okay, it is in the free tier, so it will be not charged. If you have put at this 31, then for the 1 GB you will be get charged by the AWS. And minimum size you have to put 8 GB, like you cannot put 7 GB. It will give you the red flag. So minimum you can put 8 GB. Go with this, and now click on launch instance, and within a minute your instance will be up and running. Perfect. Now click over here instance, and click over refresh while it will be like up and running. Okay, this is the IPv4 of my instance. This is the time server it is attached to. It will take a while. Let's wait for it. Okay, now it has told that okay, it is running. So to connect with this, how you can connect, you when you need to check out this box and click over here connect. When you will click on four options, you can click directly to here. Like when I'll click here, then it will give me a console over the browser only. Perfect. Session initializing. And if you want, we can also connect with the using SSH to our local machine. First, wherever I have downloaded this my PM file, I need to change the password to only read for the user, and then using this DNS I can log in, or also I can log in through the IP address. Like if I will provide the private IP address, this is the IP address. If I'll provide this, I can log in to the instance directly. Just wait for a while. Okay, so now we are in. Okay, ls, sorry, ls, there is nothing. Clear. Perfect. Perfect. Now it is getting updated. You guys will learn this in Linux session. So now let me help you with how to terminate this. If you will click over this button stop instance, it will be stopped, but it will not be deleted. Like the data which you have stored in this server, it will be remain like persistent over there only. It will be not deleted. When you will click on reboot, it will reboot. When you will click on start, it will start. When you will click on hibernate, it will sleep. And when you will click on terminate, it will completely delete all your servers along with the data inside data you have stored inside the server. So take the options like according to your need. When you want to just stop the server, click over here to stop your costing. And if you want to like do not use, and if you don't want the data to be persistent, or if you do not care about this, you can terminate the instance. As I do not want this, so I want to terminate it. So it has told me successfully initiated termination. So it is you can see over here shutting down. It has told me that state of this instance is shutting down. Within a while it will get terminated. So that's it. Thank you guys. I want you to be engaged in the community, ask your questions, and be fruitful with everyone, and enjoy your happy learning journey with TWS. Thank you.